Nvidia has just made a groundbreaking announcement that is set to revolutionize the world of AI. At their recent event, called Picasso, they unveiled a range of new AI applications powered by Nvidia's powerful GPU service. This development is set to transform the AI landscape, as it opens up numerous possibilities for applications in various fields. Picasso, their new cloud service, focuses on building and deploying generative AI-powered image and 3D applications. The implications of this service are immense as it provides a platform for companies to create and train their own AI models for image generation. While text-to-image is a familiar concept that many platforms have already explored, Picasso introduces new features like text-to-video and text-to-3D. These capabilities are particularly intriguing as they are challenging to develop but hold great potential. One notable player in the text-to-video domain is a company called Runway, which has made impressive strides in this area. The question arises, how advanced will text-to-video technology become in the future? Will we witness the creation of entire movies or simpler videos? The possibilities are vast, and it ultimately depends on the input and advancements in the technology. During the event, Nvidia showcased the capabilities of Picasso by demonstrating the creation of realistic images, videos, and 3D models generated simply from text prompts. The progress made in a relatively short span of time is remarkable, considering that we have already achieved photorealistic results. It is crucial to acknowledge that this progress is a result of years of advancements and exponential growth in AI technology. Picasso's integration with industry leaders is another exciting aspect. Nvidia has partnered with Getty Images, a provider of a vast image dataset, to enhance the training of their AI models. Shutterstock, on the other hand, is collaborating with Nvidia to explore opportunities in the 3D space. These partnerships demonstrate how established companies are leveraging AI technologies to stay relevant and competitive in their respective domains. Adobe, a key player in the creative industry, has also embraced Picasso. By integrating the service into their creative suite, which includes popular software like Photoshop and Premiere Pro, Adobe aims to empower content creators with AI capabilities. This integration opens up possibilities for seamless text-to-video generation and streamlined workflows for video editing. Furthermore, Nvidia's Omniverse, a realistic 3D landscape, offers companies a powerful platform to simulate and predict real-world scenarios. The potential impact of Picasso and its integration with existing industry tools cannot be underestimated. It is poised to disrupt various sectors and attract a wave of innovative companies. Adobe, with its extensive integration and user base, seems well positioned to benefit from this development. However, the future is unpredictable, and other players may also make significant strides in this evolving field. It is important to note that Picasso's potential extends beyond the specific features demonstrated during the event. The technology's applications can go far beyond what was showcased, as it can be integrated into a wide range of apps and services. This means that various companies will have the opportunity to harness the power of Picasso and leverage its capabilities according to their specific needs. Custom datasets and unique prompt-based models can be developed, allowing companies to unlock their creativity and explore new possibilities. The impact of Picasso on the creative industry cannot be overstated. For instance, in the realm of 3D modeling, where it traditionally takes significant time and effort to create intricate and detailed models, Picasso offers a game-changing alternative. With a single prompt, artists and designers can generate 3D models with stunning accuracy and complexity. This streamlines the creative process, saving time and resources for professionals in fields such as animation, game development, and architectural design. Moreover, Picasso's integration with Adobe's Creative Suite presents an exciting prospect. Artists, photographers, and video editors already rely heavily on Adobe's suite of tools for their creative work. With Picasso seamlessly integrated into these applications, users will have access to AI-powered image and video generation right at their fingertips. This integration not only enhances the capabilities of Adobe's software, but also empowers creators to explore new artistic avenues and push the boundaries of their craft. As the adoption of Picasso grows and more companies begin to utilize its potential, we can expect to see a wave of innovation and disruption across various industries. The ability to generate high-quality visuals and 3D models with relative ease will unlock new creative opportunities and drive forward advancements in virtual reality, augmented reality, advertising, and entertainment. From generating realistic scenes for movies to creating immersive virtual experiences, Picasso has the potential to reshape the way we perceive and interact with visual content. In conclusion, Nvidia's Picasso represents a significant milestone in AI technology, offering a powerful cloud service for generative AI-powered image and 3D applications. Its integration with industry leaders such as Getty Images and Shutterstock, as well as Adobe's Creative Suite, sets the stage for widespread adoption and innovation. The impact of Picasso extends far beyond the demonstration at the event, providing a platform for companies to unlock their creative potential and transform industries through AI-driven visual content. Exciting times lie ahead as we witness the unfolding of this game-changing technology.